Noritz tankless water heaters display error code 90 when a combustion abnormality is detected. This critical error indicates that the heater is not burning gas efficiently or safely. A flashing red priority light alongside code 90 signals that the system requires immediate professional maintenance. This visual indicator should never be ignored. The core issue behind code 90 is an imbalance in the air and fuel mixture required for proper combustion. Let's examine how tankless water heaters work. Several factors can disrupt this delicate balance. The most common cause is insufficient gas supply, which can result from a closed gas valve, undersized gas lines, or interruptions in gas service. Blockages in the fuel vent or air intake are another major cause. Debris, dust, leaves, or even animal nests can restrict proper airflow and disrupt combustion. Other potential causes include debris in the fan motor, improper gas pressure that's either too low or too high, and a dirty burner or gas manifold, preventing the unit from reaching the set temperature. Scale buildup in the heat exchanger forces the unit to work harder, while incorrect venting or improper DIP switch settings for elevation, pipe size, or length can also trigger code 90. Understanding these potential causes of code 90 is essential for proper diagnosis. Each factor can disrupt the precise air and fuel mixture needed for safe, efficient combustion in your Noritz tankless water heater. The first step in troubleshooting code 90 is checking your gas supply. Ensure the gas valve is fully open and there are no service interruptions. Next, inspect and clean the air intake filter. A dirty filter is one of the most common causes of code 90 as it restricts proper airflow for combustion. Proper venting is crucial for safe operation. Check for obstructions in the vent pipes and ensure correct clearances are maintained according to manufacturer specifications. Scale buildup from hard water can force the heat exchanger to work harder, leading to combustion issues. Regular descaling is essential, especially in hard water areas. Verify that DIP switch settings are correct for your specific installation. Incorrect settings for elevation, pipe size, or length can cause combustion abnormalities. Additional troubleshooting includes cleaning the fan motor and burner assembly and power cycling the unit to reset the system. Turn off power for 30 seconds, then restart. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve code 90, contact a licensed contractor to check gas pressures and system components. You can also reach Noritz technical support at 866-766-7489 for assistance.